like a woman, productive and bountiful. But for 3 days in summer, she must not be touched. This is during Raja, the festival of the earth. The festival is held in June, on the last day of Jesht and the first 2 days of Ashar. All tasks of husbandry are forbidden at this time, and the 3 days are spent in festivity and amusements. Young, unmarried girls get pride of place. They are dressed like brides and ride on swings, singing songs their mothers and grandmothers used to sing. Raja is a short respite between summer and the monsoons, a time for rest before work is taken up again on the land. On the 4th day, Raja ends, and the earth is bathed and sanctified to receive the seed.